welcome to Eat with Noah. As you already know, this year I want to become extremely fat. And guess what? Today we are at Akokono's house and we are going to eat something. That something can actually be used to prepare shito, kebab, once again, dried, yeah, they can actually use it to make soup and some amazing dishes. You know, everything food, I'm there, and let's go find out what exactly this Akokono is. Oh, let me just give you a gist. So Akokono is actually a Palm Weevils Larvae. Yes, you get that correct. And I'm going to try that out. Alright, so there's a restaurant that makes dishes out of this Akokono, and I would love you to go experience that. I'm actually going to try that as well. Alright, so let's find out. Yeah, so finally I'm at Akokono Cafe, and I'm going to interact with one of the workers here who happens to be the digital marketer. So yeah, yo, what's up? Alright, so can you tell us about this Akokono that we are here? And I have to travel from Mars to actually come and try it out. Tell us the gist you wanna do.
So my name is Benjamin Adadevoh. I'm the digital marketing person at Akokono House, which is located on the Mango Road at University. So Akokono is a very good delicacy that has been proven that is very nutritious, very rich in protein. And in Ghana, it's in University that we do the farming and harvesting and using it for various dishes like the fried one, which Noah is about to taste. We have Akokono stew, Akokono with soup, kebab, case, various various of dishes. So anytime you are around, you can pass by at KUniversity Mango Street. You can just place your order online on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, to your back channels. Send us a direct message and then we will get it to you wherever you are. Ghana and outside Ghana.
Awesome. Alright, so you know what? It's time to eat. That is the most important part actually. So let's go find out where then try the Akokono. Yeah. Yep. You guys, I'm not going to invite you here. Alright, so time to do the justice. Alright, so as you can see, we have some chopped onion. Then this is the Akokono, which is the Palm Weevil. We have some pepper over here as well. Actually, I want to try like 3 as a bowl. I love to eat. If you know me really well, you know that I love to eat. Yeah, that's how you do. Very delicious. Oh, and instead they have shito for this as well. Awesome. So I could actually add this to some, rice in the house. Hey, guys, I hope you're not planning on eating because I may finish all before you even get to try it out. Yeah, actually tastes good. You should try it. This is actually my first time trying this out. I've never tried this out before. Oh, yeah. So here is the Akokono shito that you can actually have in your kitchen whenever you cook your rice, wachi, and you don't want to use stew. You can actually add this to it and you're good to go. Alright, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe, and whenever you find yourself in Kumasi, make sure you look locate Akokono's house, and they have a cafe here whereby you can, get some of these to try out. Trust me, you'll love it. Bye.